Hey foodies, Marisha here. I'm going to give you guys a quick grilling tutorial on this cilantro lime steak. Starting off with a half cup of cilantro, 1 lime, about 4 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of ginger. So now we're going to put all of our ingredients into my NutriBullet or a small blender, food processor, anything will work. And then you're also going to add to that about a half cup of olive oil. We're going to blend that up. And then this is my certified Angus beef top round. Just go ahead and get yourself some steak. We're going to put our marinade along with our steak in a Ziploc bag. Now we don't want to make ceviche. This has plenty of lime juice that is ready and willing to cook that steak. So we're only going to leave it in there for about 10 minutes. You can also take the air out. If you can suction it and really get the flavors in there. So as you can see, my coal is all ready to go. I turned my gas grill into a coal grill. You can check that video below. I'm going to go ahead and put my beautiful steak on my hot grill. As you can see, it's smoking. I've got my flames. This is the perfect time to season your steak with salt and pepper, whatever else you would like. You may even want to do lemon pepper. That's up to you. So I'm going to close this only for about 5 minutes. We don't want to overcook it. If you would like your steak a little bit more medium, only cook it for a couple of minutes and do not close that lid because this is such a thin steak. So as you can see, the juices are flowing. It's getting a nice little char on the outside, especially right here. And that is my cue that this is ready to go. You can slice this steak up. You can make a Santa Fe burrito with beans and rice. You can serve it with some taters, or you can eat it just like this and call it a day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. For more grilling videos, check below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Stay hungry, foodies.